Exceptional quality and affordable prices is our goal. Your go-to emergency plumbing service in Highland Park, Illinois. Are you grappling with a leaking pipe, a clogged kitchen sink, a constantly running toilet, or a malfunctioning water heater? Emergency Plumbing of Highland Park, Illinois. Your premier, local, plumber near me solution. Our team is dedicated to providing the residents of Highland Park and surrounding areas with top-notch, reliable plumbing services at competitive prices. At Emergency Plumbing of Highland Park, we understand the urgency and inconvenience plumbing issues can cause. That's why we're committed to offering swift, effective solutions to all your plumbing needs, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily routine. Whether it's a minor leak or a major blockage, our skilled plumbers are equipped with the latest tools and technology to tackle any challenge head-on. Our goal is to deliver exceptional quality plumbing services without breaking the bank. We believe in transparent pricing and provide detailed estimates before commencing any work, ensuring there are no surprises when it comes to the cost of your repairs or installations. Local, reliable, and ready to help. As your local Highland Park plumber, we pride ourselves on our community ties and commitment to customer satisfaction. Our knowledgeable and friendly team is always ready to answer your questions and provide expert advice on all your plumbing concerns. Contact Emergency Plumbing of Highland Park, Illinois, for fast, reliable, and affordable plumbing services. Visit our website or call us to schedule an appointment. We service North Shore and northwest suburbs of Chicago and beyond. Phone 224-7